Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gag gifts is probably one of the most challenging yet rewarding categories to shop for, especially when you're on the hunt for something that will genuinely make a man laugh out loud and create a memorable moment. Finding that perfect blend of humor, surprise, and maybe even a touch of absurdity requires a keen eye for what tickles his funny bone, whether he's a dad, a brother, a friend, or a colleague. We've scoured the internet to bring you a curated selection of hilarious and unexpected items that are guaranteed to be a hit at any occasion, from birthdays to white elephant parties, ensuring your gift stands out from the usual suspects and becomes the talk of the town for all the right, funny reasons. Number 5. Miracu Funny Cooking Aprons. Introducing the Miracu Funny Cooking Apron, perfect for anyone who loves to cook. It's great for all your culinary adventures, from the kitchen to the barbecue. This apron offers full coverage to keep your clothes spotless while you whip up a storm. It also comes with 3 deep pockets to hold all your essential cooking tools. Crafted from durable, thick cotton, this apron is made for repeated use. It's also easy to wash, ensuring it's always ready for your next cooking session. Designed for everyone, this apron features an adjustable neck strap and long waist ties for a comfortable, custom fit. It's suitable for both men and women. Looking for a unique gift? This funny apron is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic present for dads, moms, husbands, boyfriends, and brothers. What we like. This apron offers great coverage for any cooking or grilling enthusiast. It features convenient pockets for your tools and is made from durable cotton. If you're looking for a practical yet funny gift for someone who loves to barbecue or spend time in the kitchen, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It's a thick material, so it really does keep you clean when you cook. My friend absolutely loves this apron. What a great gift for a grill guy. Beautifully made, it will last a long time. This was a huge hit for Christmas stocking stuffers. My 2 brothers and even my dad got a good laugh at it. Dad wore it Christmas Day when the family came over. Number 4. Potty Putter Toilet Time Golf Game. Turn your bathroom into a mini golf course with this fun game. It's perfect for golfers who want to practice their putting even when nature calls. No need for a caddy, this set has everything you need to start playing immediately. Enjoy your personal putting green in the privacy of your own bathroom. Looking to sharpen your putting skills? This game is a must-have. It's not only entertaining but also helps improve your short game with every putt. Struggling to find a unique gift for the golf lover in your life? This is a hilarious and delightful present that guarantees laughs and enjoyment for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just seeking a good laugh, this game is the perfect gift. It's suitable for golf fans of any age and skill level, making bathroom time fun and productive. What we like. This game transforms any bathroom into a personal putting green. It's designed for golf lovers who want to practice their skills anytime. If you know a golfer who has everything, or someone who enjoys a good laugh during their downtime, this is the perfect, unique gift. What people say. The quality is great and the appearance is just like the picture. Looks to be very durable and very kid-friendly. This was the perfect white elephant gift for friends Moss. We have lots of golfers in the group and this was th gift everyone was stealing from each other. Number 3. Smilelife Magnetic Holding Hands Socks. Introducing a fun and unique pair of socks designed to keep you connected. These socks feature a special magnetic design. They are the perfect gift for couples, friends, or anyone who enjoys a touch of humor. Share a special bond with these playful socks. Not only are they funny, but they are also incredibly comfortable for everyday wear. Enjoy the novelty and the comfort. Looking for a memorable gift? These socks are a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise someone special. Embrace the fun and quirky side of life with these innovative socks. They offer a playful way to show you care. Suitable for teens, women, and men, these socks are a versatile and amusing present. Anyone can enjoy this charming accessory. What we like. These socks are designed to keep you and your loved one connected, even when you're apart. The magnetic feature ensures you always have a hand to hold. If you're looking for a sweet and funny gift for couples, friends, or family members to show you care, these are a delightful option. What people say. The magnets are strong and really hold hands. It's such a clever and funny idea that brings lots of smiles. The sizing is true to shoe size, so they fit perfectly. Plus, the socks are soft and comfortable to wear. These socks crack me up, along with everyone that I show them to. Number 2. Funwares Porta Potty Shot Glasses. Introducing a hilarious addition to your barware collection. These uniquely designed shot glasses are guaranteed to bring a smile and a chuckle to any adult gathering. Looking for a gift that's sure to be a hit? These novelty glasses are perfect for birthdays, white elephant parties, or just because. They're the unexpected, funny gift everyone will be talking about. Larger than your average shot glass, they offer a generous pour for your favorite spirits. They're the perfect quirky addition to any man cave or collection of fun bar accessories. More than just a novelty, these glasses are a conversation starter. They're ideal for breaking the ice at parties and creating memorable moments. Crafted from durable, scratch-resistant plastic, each glass holds 2 ounces of your preferred drink. They're designed to be a lasting part of your collection, just remember to hand wash them. What we like. These shot glasses offer a unique and humorous twist on a classic party essential. Their distinctive design is sure to spark conversation and laughter. If you're searching for a memorable gag gift for a bachelor party, white elephant exchange, or just for someone with a quirky sense of humor, these are a guaranteed hit. What people say. This is a great gag gift that is sure to get a laugh. It's a fun and unique gift that will be a hit at any party. The quality is surprisingly good for the price, and it looks just like the picture. Number 1. DINGUS Yodeling Pickle. Introducing the DINGUS Yodeling Pickle, a 5-inch novelty toy that sings a hilarious yodeling song. It's the perfect gag gift for anyone who loves a good laugh. This little guy might not be edible, but it's guaranteed to bring smiles and laughter to any situation. It's designed to spread joy and lighten the mood. Getting the fun started is as easy as pushing a button. Just press it and let the delightful yodeling and hilarity commence. Bring this musical pickle to your next event and watch it transform any gathering into a lively celebration. It's sure to be a hit and get everyone talking. Its portable size makes it perfect for taking anywhere, from picnics to the office. You can bring instant amusement and a touch of silliness wherever you go. This singing novelty is perfect for friends, family, co-workers, or students. It's a unique and funny gift that guarantees a good time and plenty of laughs. What we like. This singing pickle brings instant, unexpected joy with a simple press. It's designed to be a hilarious conversation starter and a source of amusement. If you need a quirky, laugh-out-loud gift for co-workers, friends, or family that's sure to break the ice and create memorable moments, this is the one. What people say. Gave a couple of these away for Christmas. They were well received and were played a lot. Easy handling size, lightweight and are loud enough to easily hear. This is absolutely the most wonderful product on the market. I got it for a dear friend who's having surgery and I'm telling you, her face lit up when she pressed the button. You can't not smile and laugh with this pickle. I also highly recommend dancing to the song, it puts a whole other level of happy on it. He loves it and the sound quality is very good. It does look like a real pickle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.